All right, Solomon. So this is a pretty good start. I see you built out your website. So yeah, you put in your address, downloaded a photo. Do your best you can on this part, but I'll definitely be jumping in there in the beginning and helping you guys with that. The property sheets looks like you did good. So you downloaded the correct ones on these. The only advice I could give you is on this one, don't upload the Excel spreadsheet, but instead. Take this, we don't want to give them this Excel spreadsheet. So just print this to a PDF file and then load that. So um, name or whatever. Um, so just uh, so then you would just use that PDF file and replace the Excel file here. But the rest of it looks pretty good. I mean, you put in earnest money and rehabs and stuff like that. I'll definitely be helping you guys, and you definitely got the photos loaded up that look real nice. So overall, great job. It's a great start. So Manib, if you could watch this video as well and crank out a website, I think we'll be doing pretty good. This will be a big help on those days that I'm super swamped with multiple properties. I'm be able to get these out on time. That would be this will help me a lot.